Morning guys, it's me, Bad Boy Jaspas, and welcome back to School of Cardistry. Today we're going to figure out who the winner for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 9 is and announce the winner for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 10. So strap yourselves in and let's get down to the honorable mentions. For this round of the competition, there were many really good entries with very interesting displays. Our first honorable mention goes out to Echo 1001, who came up with a string combo of different displays of different styles. He ends his combo using this 5 packet in a row display that used also the forearm of his hand. And as a display, it is really interesting. It's a pity that he didn't end with some big finish, or that would have pushed it over the top and probably made this entry the winner. The second honorable mention goes out to Kenan Nunes 21, who entered the competition with a video that wasn't so much about how creative his cardistry is, but how intense and how powerful the performance of this cardistry is. Huge shoutouts to him, those were some really well executed cardistry. Our third honorable mention goes out to Jack of all trades 17, who entered with this one-handed 5-packet display that was also symmetrical and also beautiful to look at. When he got into that display in both hands and held it out like this, I was kind of mind blown. That display was huge and it really packs a punch. Good job, Jack of all trades 17. Our fourth honorable mention goes out to Skull HS, who came out with a move that at first I was like, it's kind of okay, I guess. It's a kind of okay move, I guess. And then on closer inspection, I saw how he manipulated the position of one single card using gravity and inertia to go from here to here in one step. It's insane. That move is insane. It was a crazy performance. I absolutely loved it. And through this move, he essentially created a cardistry move that made body-related cardistry not cringy. That is an achievement on its own. Good job, Skull HS. But bro, you really gotta figure out a way to get rid of that made with Kenan Master logo at the top of your screen, man. And finally, my fifth and final honorable mention goes out to Azazel Valentine, who produced this really awesome blacklight video using the School of Cardistry V3s, which to be honest, even I didn't know was UV sensitive. He entered the competition with this display that had this really awesome snapping sensation to it, like sort of just fits into place. That move is sort of like the Nintendo Switch when you snap the controllers back onto the main console. Oh, so satisfying! His move was that satisfying to me. Good job, Azazel Valentine. Good job. And now, with the honorable mentions mentioned honorably and out of the way, the winner of the New Deck Orders Bounty number 9 is... It's William Duran. William Duran entered the New Deck Orders Bounty number 9 with this really awesome symmetrical 6-packet display. He created a way to get into a perfect asterisk without any finger being placed on the middle of the asterisk. I mean, just look at this still photo. Can you figure out how he got into this position? If you want to figure out how to get into this position on your own without being told how it's done, you can skip to this timing on the video for the announcement for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 10. But for those of you who stuck around, look at this! What? That's genius! That's genius! Using friction, momentum and clever design, he essentially figured out a way to do a 6-packet display with nothing in the middle. Every single packet is not just supported by the hands, but also the other cards in the display. It's absolutely brilliant. Good job, it's William Duran. The New Deck Order team will get in touch with you to give you your prize. Alright, with all that said, the New Deck Orders Bounty number 9 is now complete, and we can move on to the New Deck Orders Bounty number 10. We made it, guys! We made it to number 10! Yes! Woohoo! Woo! When we began the New Deck Orders Bounty, we weren't sure how long this series would sustain. After all, having people create awesome cardistry ideas month after month, taking on the challenge of creating something innovative, cool and powerful, it's a really difficult ask. Most people can't keep up with that workload. But you did it. You guys did it. So we are going to continue supporting you guys. The New Deck Order, School of Cardistry, Jaspas Deck, friends and fans, by continuing to give prizes for winners, as well as do shoutouts for the especially good entries. To all of you who have supported us these years, past, present or future, thank you so much. With all that said, let's talk about the New Deck Orders Bounty number 10. For this round, we are bringing the New Deck Orders Bounty back to basics. For this round, the topic of the competition is one card moves. That's right, for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 10, you can do absolutely any move as long as it has one card. The move either has only one card and one card alone, or it has the deck and one card. That's it. So, backstroke for example, like this, counts as an applicable move for this competition. But the Y card, in which two single cards stick out of a packet, is not applicable to this competition. And of course, cardistry that has only a single card involved in the move counts as a one card move. Some people may get confused and try to enter the competition with a two-handed card with a single one card packet, but that doesn't qualify for this competition. And finally, here are some extra rules that you have to follow to qualify for this competition. Alright guys, so there you have it. Those were the rules for the New Deck Orders Bounty number 10. I hope you're excited to figure out some big brain cardistry move involving only a single card or a deck plus a single card. I'm very excited to see what you guys come up with, and I can't wait to be mind blown by the creativity the community has once again next month. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please stay safe, stay healthy, and keep playing with your playing cards. Until next time guys, I'm Jaspas, and I'll talk to you in the next episode of the New Deck Orders Bounty.